A budget is a financial roadmap that helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you have enough money to cover your needs and save for your goals. Here's a simple guide to creating a budget that works for you. Track your income and expenses. List all income sources. This includes your salary, wages, interest, dividends, and any other sources of income. Track your expenses. For a month, record every penny you spend. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or a simple notebook. Categorize your expenses like housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Set financial goals. Short-term goals. These are goals you can achieve within a year, such as paying off debt or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals. These are goals that take longer to achieve, such as buying a house or saving for retirement. Create a budget. Subtract expenses from income. Determine your net income by subtracting your total expenses from your total income. Allocate funds to goals. Decide how much of your net income you want to allocate to each of your financial goals. Create a budget category for each goal. This will help you track your progress towards achieving your goals. Review and adjust. Review your budget regularly. Check in on your budget weekly or monthly to ensure you're staying on track. Make adjustments as needed. If you're overspending in one category, consider cutting back in another. Tips for creating a successful budget. Keep it simple. A complex budget can be overwhelming. Start with a basic budget and add more details as needed. Be realistic. Set achievable goals and avoid unrealistic expectations. Be flexible. Life happens, so be prepared to adjust your budget as needed. Use budgeting tools. There are many budgeting apps and tools available to help you track your expenses and stay on track. Find a budgeting method that works for you. There are many different budgeting methods, including the 50-30-20 rule, the envelope method, and zero-based budgeting. Experiment with different methods to find one that suits your lifestyle. Remember, creating a budget is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to develop a budget that works for you. Be patient and persistent, and you'll be on your way to financial success.